Hello. Hi. Namaste. My name is Ipsa, and I just walked in a very funny manner, but that's okay. Uh, Chemistry, one specific question which is from acids. You can say the chapter on acids, or you can say chapter in metals. So दोनों जगह ये common question होता है, which we will answer today. Okay. Question is, अगर ये कोई dilute acid है, उसमें अगर हम जिंक डाल दें तो रिएक्शन होगा, मगर अगर सेम डाइल्यूट एसिड है उसमें हम कॉपर डालें तो रिएक्शन नहीं होगा. दैट्स व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज. जिंक कर रहा है मगर कॉपर नहीं कर रहा है. जिंक के 100 मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, कॉपर के 2 मार्क्स आ रहे हैं. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जिंक में ऐसा है क्या. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड नो विच डाइल्यूट एसिड्स आर वी टॉकिंग अबाउट. हमने कहा डाइल्यूट एसिड बहुत सारे हो सकते हैं, पर वी विल फोकस ऑन ओनली 3 or 4 because others, you can't have examples from others and others create problems. So what are the dilute acids? Any of these we can use. कौन से होते हैं dilute acids which are usually found in chemistry, which is H2SO4, HCl, and H2SO4 is not the basic one. Okay, H2SO4 लिख दो. HNO3. Okay, अगर मुझे कुछ और याद आएंगे I'll add to the list. So these are the dilute acids with which we want to react. So zinc or copper. Next thing is understanding the reactivity series. This is the reactivity series. I have omitted a lot of elements from this. These are the more important ones we should be knowing. Inka list. This is the reactivity series. Okay, we've done this reactivity series earlier in a video, and we had understood that hydrogen is the main starting or ending point. Means what? All these will react with acids. All these, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum and zinc, they will all react because all of them are very reactive. But below hydrogen, copper, silver, gold, many more are just not reactive or are less reactive than hydrogen. These all are more reactive than hydrogen, and these are more reactive. So I will say metals, where I write that. So metals above hydrogen atom in the reactivity series are stronger, they are more reactive, such things. They're very reactive, they're stronger, so they can react with acids. But जो नीचे वाले copper, silver and gold, they're very unreactive. उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उनके ऊपर dilute acid डाल दो या कुछ भी डाल दो, they will not react easily. Okay, so this is the next thing that we have to understand. Now let's see why is zinc reacting with dilute acid. So what is the equation that we will write if it is happening? So we can say zinc plus, which, let's take one of the acids, let's take HCl. Now, okay, you can also write here displacement reaction. What was displacement reaction? How is it displacement reaction? See, displacement means एक को हटा के, यहाँ 2 लोग बैठे, एक अलग से आया, एक को उठा के बाहर फेंक दिया और खुद A, B, C, remove B, now it becomes AC. Okay, that is what is a displacement reactor. Now what will have or happen in this case, see, zinc is more reactive than hydrogen. Zinc is stronger than hydrogen, it's more reactive than hydrogen. So what it does, it throws out this hydrogen and itself it joins with chlorine. क्योंकि ये stronger था, ये more reactive था than hydrogen. So metal will replace a metal kind of a thing only ना. Metal can't replace Cl, non-metal. So ये नहीं होगा कि ZnH बन जाएगा. No, metal will replace metal only. So हमारे पास बचा क्या? एक तो H2 गैस हमने निकाली थी क्योंकि ये वो फेंक देगा, निकाल के तो गैस तो बनी जाएगी. And when we join these two, it will form. ठीक है, now we can just balance it, which is okay, 2HCl, yeah. So now it is balanced. The only reason is zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, so displacement reaction occurs. How do you know the reaction हो रहा है? Is because the hydrogen का, okay, what is the simpler word for effervescence? I was about to write. What happens to hydrogen is makes sound, makes fizzy sound. मतलब जब वो निकल रही होती है बाहर तो उसमें से ऐसी आवाज़ आती है, शू शू शू, जैसे किसी पाइप में से आती है अगर उसके अंदर बोले ना. So when this hydrogen is escaping, it gives a sound, and that's how we know कि अच्छा reaction हो गया है. Now what happens to copper? If I add dilute HCl to copper, then what will happen? Look at the reactive series. Copper is here. नीचे वाला side are less reactive than hydrogen. Okay, let's take an example. Two people sitting here, hydrogen and chlorine. Right? There's a copper which wants to come here. Can it throw out chlorine? No, because metal can only shift out metals. Okay, can it clear out hydrogen from it? It could, but hydrogen is stronger than copper. Hydrogen of this side is stronger than the copper. तो अगर strong copper आया और hydrogen को बोला हटो हटो, तो copper अकेला ही पड़ा रह जाएगा. He will not be able to join with Cl2. I hope it is understood. Copper is less reactive than the hydrogen itself, so it cannot do the displacement reaction. So copper and dilute acid, there will be no reaction. So above hydrogen, they will all react with acids. Below hydrogen, they will all not react. Now the same case applies for water, the same thing applies for a lot of things where we have to consult a reactivity series. Okay.